Good morning, grade 9 health class. Welcome to your first ever video lesson on home-based learning 101, I guess. This is not a lesson, it'll just be an explanation of the final project for grade 9 health before you're finished. And so we like to end on an easy note, and I hope you guys use this to learn, but also to enjoy the end of health for grade 9. This project, as you can see on the screen, it says it's a sleep poster. Well, it is a sleep poster, but due to our limitations and um, requirements of home-based learning, you'll make a poster, but you will also record it, your presentation of this poster in a 5-minute video, put it to YouTube, send me the link so that I know you actually know what you're talking about. Um, the project is due, oh, I forget, it's on ManageBack. You can find it. This assignment is very simple. Okay, it requires 4 things of you. It requires you to research and finish the research prompted by the research sheet down below. There's a document that has questions for you. You will answer those to the best of your ability. Create a bibliography, works cited page. Create a poster to educate people on sleep and why they need it and how it benefits an area of their life, and then the 5-minute video. Very simple. You have 4 weeks to work on it. The purpose of this is for you to learn about sleep, the benefits and the need you have for it, from all the dimensions of who you are: physical, spiritual, emotional, cognitive, and socially, but to also take it one step farther and apply it to an area of your life. So you can choose um, to have the area of your life be mathematics or language learning or music, piano playing. How does sleep benefit you, or enough sleep give you benefits in your abilities to play sports? Those kinds of things. When I talk about an area of life, I mean an area where you are not um, typically researching, okay? Something you have interest in. If you like art, how is sleep going to benefit you in how you do art? If you like music, how is it going to benefit you playing the piano or shredding the guitar? You get to choose the area of your life. It can't just be my home life, okay? Be a little more specific. When you're doing research, make sure you always cite, okay, cite your sources, proper in-text citation. Create a poster. This poster can be a physical one that you make, hang on the wall, present it in your bedroom or your kitchen, or it can be a digital one that you have on half the screen while you make the presentation to us through the video. Um, the purpose of the poster is to educate the audience on the importance of sleep and a real life application. So your specific area of life. Make it interesting, make it fun. Anyone from kindergarten to, I don't know, 100 years old should be able to learn from your project. What you need to do, the requirements. So in the research uh, form right here, research sheet, answer the questions. Remember, you are in grade 9. You can answer in complete sentences. Okay, very important. Why, first prompt, why is sleep important to maintaining your personal health? Your personal health, like we learned last quarter, is a lot more than just not being sick, right? There's 5 dimensions to who you are, and we want those to be how you look at something as being good for you. Is it good for me physically? Is it good for me spiritually, emotionally, socially, cognitively? Looking at sleep and the importance of it through that lens instead of just what do I get out of it? Do I get enough time to do what I want? Those kinds of things. Then you need to look up different age groups. I know there's a video link that I sent you earlier that talks about this, but do some research. Find out how much sleep does a teenager need from 5 or 12 to 17, a child 5 to 11, and an elderly person. Really just do all the age groups you can think of in there. Include that somewhere in your poster so someone can look at, oh, I really want to sleep, but how much do I need? They can find that on your poster. Then, for this last part, you can see how does enough sleep contribute positively to blank. That blank is your area of life, and you need to back this up with research. You need to back all of this up with research, but if it's basketball, okay, or if it's soccer, if it's violin, if it's learning Bahasa, if it's English, if it's writing, if it's math class, if it's science, physics, put it in there and then write about how enough sleep has positive contributions. Then the one below it, it's negative. How does not enough sleep contribute negatively to this? So a lot of people think, oh, well, the negatives are always the opposites of the positives. That's not always true because usually with the negatives, there's dominoes. Okay, it might just be poor scores, but does a poor score keep you from getting to college? Keep you from getting um, an engineering degree, which keeps you from working for your parents' engineering company, which means you're whatever. So there's always dominoes. So it's not just the opposite. Do research, find out the negative effects because there's more negatives than you actually think or can just come up with out of your brain. Is that okay? Below, include your bibliography / works cited page, properly MLA citation. In-text citation is always important. Put it up on the poster. Record yourself presenting the poster, submit it to ManageBack, and you will be good. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you enjoy this video. As always, don't click like and subscribe. I mean, if you want to, you can. I'm kidding. That's just what they say in every other YouTube video. So long.